Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about what are the custom audience in Facebook ads. Guys, while running the Facebook ads, audience selection is very important. Your overall campaign will success or fail based on the your audience selection. So you have to know about what is custom audience, what are lookalike audience, and what are saved audience. In this particular video, we will discuss about custom audience. Guys, custom audience is the audience who are engaged with your content. Those are the custom audience. The custom audience are the who engaged with your content. Those are the custom audience. So for example, take a your website or blog who are visiting your blog. Those are the custom audience. To capture the your blog visitors or your website visitors, you have to install the Facebook pixel. So once you install the Facebook pixel, it will absorb your website visitors, and you can create custom audience like website visitors or particular article readers or particular landing page visitors. So you can create the custom audience like that. And also, if you are running a Facebook page, and if you are uploading videos, who watched the videos 50%, 40%, 90%, like that, also you can create custom audience. So if you are running a lead generation ads, who submitted the form, who opened the form not submitted, those are also comes under the custom audience. And who are engaged with your Instagram profile, who are engaged with your Instagram profile, and who are engaged with the Facebook page, those are also come to the custom audience. The custom audience are the audience who are engaged, already engaged with your content. Those are the custom audience. Now you have custom audience, lookalike audience, saved audience. For which audience you have to give the first priority? So guys, you have to give the first priority to custom audience. Why? Because those are already know you. So you are already engaged with them in the form of content like blog, Facebook page post, or Instagram profile post, or advertising. So you already engaged with that particular audience. So if you target those audience in your ads, so the conversions will be better. So first you have to create your custom audience in the Facebook ads manager dashboard. Then you have to use this custom audience in your Facebook ads. This is also known as the retargeting. So you can use this custom audience in your Facebook ads, and you can get the better conversions with the help of custom audience. Guys, this is for this video. If you love this video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.